our relaxing lavender, ylang ylang and lemon body oil. Available in 2 sizes, the 100 ml aluminium bottle, perfect for traveling or taking with you on the plane, and our 205 ml glass bottle, which is better left in the bathroom. So our body oil is a blend of different carrier oils. There's sweet almond, coconut, avocado, and hemp seed oils. So really, really nourishing, really nurturing to the skin, really helping to build that protective layer on the skin. It's also got calendula extract, so very, very good for helping cure the skin faster of any cuts, grazes, bruises, things like that. Now this body oil is our relaxing one, and it's excellent to use before going to sleep. It's going to help you sleep. A little tip that I actually got from a customer of mine is to put a few drops just here behind the ear, and you're going to sleep like a baby. She swears by it. But it's also excellent to use as a relaxing massage oil. If you've been really, really stressed out, it really will help calm you. And the essential oils actually work on 2 different levels. The lavender is a very, very calming essential oil. It really helps sleep. It's also got a panacea of healing benefits in terms of helping to cure cuts and grazes and sores and muscle aches and pains. It really is kind of one of the miracle oils, if you will, in terms of how it heals and how it works. But it's also very good at calming the mind, calming the body. And now the Ylang Ylang essential oil works at calming the nervous system. So you can see that it does work on 2 different levels to get you that complete relaxation. And the lemon is so vibrant. It just gives that burst of freshness. And like most citrus oils, it really does help to get all the other properties of the other oils, the carrier oils and the essential oils, to help go further into the skin. So you can use that, as I said, as a lovely relaxing massage oil, or hopping out of the bath or the shower just before you go to bed, or in the morning if you want a nice relaxing chilled out day. And you just apply that to the skin. It can be wet or dry. Rub it in. As you can see, it absorbs really quickly. And you have that beautiful lavender, ylang ylang, relaxing scent, just really helping you to calm. So that is our relaxing lavender, ylang ylang and lemon body oil.
Flor y Amor.